In this video, I'm going to share with you what is killing your house cleaning and what you should do for your house cleaning instead. Hey, this is Justin with Marigold and Ivy Cleaning Service, and I'm going to be truthful with you today because you may be getting frustrated or even depressed by the thought of cleaning your house, and I'll explain why. I will also share with you what needs to happen to increase your chances of succeeding at cleaning your house. Nowadays, many people are busy, overwhelmed, overworked, and financially frustrated, among other things. And I get it. I'm there as well. Many families, both parents are working, as well as taking care of the kids and running them around to their extracurricular activities. And at the end of the day, you're just exhausted. So the thought of cleaning your house is just a thought because there's not going to be any action taken on it. And then on the weekends, you don't want to spend your free time cleaning. You probably want to spend your time with your family or doing what you enjoy. Or maybe you don't like cleaning, or cleaning hurts your back. Whatever the situation is, understand that a dirty, cluttered home will eventually affect you physically and mentally. Dirty houses can cause asthma and respiratory problems from mold and dust, and even skin problems, as well as attract rodents that contain diseases. Unorganized, dirty homes can also cause depression, cause stress and overwhelm that can result in anxiety and lack of focus. So I'm going to give you 5 things you can start doing now to help avoid becoming physically sick or mentally stressed and succeed at keeping up with your cleaning your house. So number 1 is take out the trash. First off, take small steps by setting a routine, such as taking out the trash once the trash is full. Leaving trash or trash bags, especially with food around the house, can attract rodents such as mice, rats, or roaches. Number 2 is make your bed. This is another way of starting and taking small steps and setting a routine. And this is just by making your bed. If you're busy in the morning getting the kids ready for school, as well as getting yourself ready for the day or going to work, just focus on one thing, and that is making your bed. Making your bed declutters your bedroom and gives you at least one accomplishment for the morning if nothing else can get accomplished. And number 3, set a time to clean the house each day. And this is another way of taking small steps and setting a routine. If you're busy and struggling to clean the house, set a specific time to make your bed and get your home clutter-free. You can spend 10 minutes of your day cleaning your kitchen counters, doing all the dishes, putting things in their designated places, or picking up things and decluttering. You'll be surprised at how much you can get done in 10, even 15 minutes. Number 4 is set out to accomplish one task or area of the house to clean. This can be on the weekends if you find a 45-minute to an hour block of time that's free for you. This is when you can focus on just cleaning the bathroom, the kitchen, or maybe just focusing on dusting the house or cleaning all the floors. And then number 5 is ask for help, and that could be hiring a cleaning service. And I understand right now you may be financially strapped, but for those who do have the money or budget, hire a cleaning service to come bi-weekly or monthly, and then you can focus more on keeping your house tidy or organized instead of having to do everything, including the cleaning. So again, those 5 things are take out the trash when it's full, make your bed, set a time to clean the house each day, 4, set out to accomplish one task or area of the house to clean at a time. And then 5, ask for help. Hire a cleaning service. Now, on this channel, when we mention cleaning, we focused on non-toxic cleaning. And if you want to learn why you should clean your house with essential oils and everyday household items, watch the next video above. And I want to leave you with one last question, and that is, what house cleaning and organization hack or tip has helped you? It can be one I mentioned earlier, one of the 5, or one of your own that you use on a daily or regular basis. Let me know in the comments below.